How to fix preparing shaders in the first Descendant. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the preparing shaders in the first Descendant game. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply update your graphics driver. For that, in order to identify your GPU, for Windows, you need to press Win plus R, then you need to type DXDIAG, and then you just have to hit enter. Then you need to check the display tab for your graphic card detail. If you are using Mac, then you need to click the Apple logo and then go to About this Mac, then go to System Report, and here you will be able to see the graphics and the displays option. Next step, you just have to download the latest driver. So if you are using Nvidia, then you need to go to its official website, and from there you just have to download the latest drivers. Similar is the case with the AMD and the Intel. Next, you just have to install the drivers. So you just have to follow further on-screen instructions on the official website of the drivers providing service, and then you just have to successfully install it in your device. Afterwards, you just have to launch the first Descendant game and check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what you can do is you can try to verify the integrity of the game files. If you are a Steam user, then you need to open Steam and then you need to navigate to library. Then you need to click on the first Descendant and select its property. Afterwards, you need to go to the local files tab and click on verify integrity of the game files. Then you can try adjusting the shader settings in the game. For that, you need to open the first Descendant game settings and then you need to navigate to the graphics settings. Then you need to look for the shader related options and try lowering the shader quality or turning off certain advanced shader feature. You can even try to clear the shader cache. So in order to do it in the Windows, you need to navigate to this destination. Then you need to look for the folder that is called shaders or similar, and then you just have to delete its contents. In the Mac, you need to go to this URL and then you need to locate and clear the shader cache folder. Next, you can increase the virtual memory or the paging file size. For that, you just have to press Win plus R and then type sysdm.cpl and then hit enter. Then you need to go to the advanced tab and click on settings under performance. Afterwards, you just have to go to the advanced tab again and then click on change under virtual memory. Uncheck the automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Then select your system drive, usually in the C, and choose custom size. Then you need to set the initial size and minimize your size in MBs according to your RAM. Then you just have to click set and then press OK, and then you just have to restart your computer. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to fix this issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.